And then when it's lower, it kind of shows the slope a little bit better because the GoPro effect is real. So, okay, I got my camera set up there. That was pretty. So I keep telling myself the bike's made for it. I might not be, but my bike's made for it. So smooth.
So that was the first time you fitted off that bike?
With this one, yeah. I think that's why I went long, because I've always hit it on that one. So it's like you're probably used to riding a normal bike. So you took it with speed on a normal bike, and it's a heavier. So that's why your front kind of bonked a little bit. So you need like maybe half a pedal stroke more or something. And then it's like nice and smooth.
Okay.
Yep. Nice! That was so good! Yeah! That was awesome.
That one felt really good.
That was so smooth. You just came off